Looking at the front right fender here, we do have a rock chip. Got one right there. Little chip here. And then you're gonna have them kind of peppered in this little area. Looking at the wheel, you're gonna have a few rock chips around the spokes here and there, but overall look really nice. Pilot Sport All Season 4 ZP tires here on the front. Side mirror, you're gonna have a few rock chips. A-pillar looks good. Got a chip here, small scuff. They're all minor, but we do have a few scuffs right there. And this area is prone to getting impacted by rocks, so you're gonna see some here and there, and some of them did chip the paint. Got a little rash there, a little bit here. You got a couple creases right here. They're all very minor, hard to see. Probably 3 or 4 right there. Borla exhaust. Got a couple scuffs there. And then looking at the spoiler, it is wrapped in a vinyl black. So you're gonna see some spots here lifting. So underneath will be a factory white, I believe. So that's wrapped and it looks really good. Has that sparkle in it. Checking out the front end here. You're gonna have some curb rash on the underside of this splitter. You're gonna have some rock chips throughout. Got some of them down here on the lower side. See those? Got a couple rock chips here. Most of that curb rash is on the underside though. I'm not really seeing it here on that top. You're gonna have the little rock chips peppered throughout the front. I don't see any big gashes or anything like that though. Carbon looks good. Most of the hood looks really nice. Only a couple rock chips there. I don't see any curb rash on that wheel. Fender looks nice. Mirror looks good. A-pillar looks awesome. Got a couple rock chips here. And then this is kind of peppered with rock chips and rock impacts. That wheel looks good. Got a few scuffs here. Got a large chip there. Looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker. Got a tiny scuff on the Alcantara there. The rest of that looks good. Kick plate looks nice here on the bolster. Got a little scuff right there. And you do have some wear here. The Alcantara looks nice though. The rest of that's clean. The steering wheel's not matted down, so that's really nice. Heads-up display, 52,000 miles. See, all the carbon looks good. Alcantara shifter. Now we do have a few scuffs right there. The rest of this looks really good though. These seats look awesome. Looking at the passenger door panel. Overall looks awesome. Kick plate area is clean. Got a few scuffs right there. A little wear on the edge. The rest of this looks good. Overall that seat back looks nice. There are a couple small stains there on the Alcantara. Got a little scuff here. That looks nice. Carbon looks good. Everything else looks awesome. Got the Rotofab intake. Everything else appears to be stock. So you got the intake and mufflers. Okay, we're gonna go for a quick drive. This car has the Rotofab intake and Borla mufflers on it, so it sounds really good.